task into one that is almost therapeutic, Good Grips have created a truly amazing all-in-one tool for avocado prep. If you've ever struggled to split and stone an avocado with a knife, then you know what we're talking about. This tool makes light work of the avocado so that you can have a delicious addition to your salad, nicely sliced and without wasting any of the tasty bits. So all you need to do is slice the avocado lengthways all the way around using the knife part of the tool. Then twist to separate the fruit. Apply the clamp to the stone, twist, and the stone will come away so easily. Just pop the stone out of the hole and then you're ready to slice the avocado. Use the slicer to easily scoop out all the flesh, whilst at the same time cleverly slicing your avocado into pieces, which you can then prepare as you wish. Easy!